Homogenize the sample. Weigh 1 gram of defatted homogenized tissue into a 15 ml centrifuge tube. Add 1 ml of 0.1% acetic acid solution. Shake and mix for 5 minutes until the sample becomes uniformly paste-like. Centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute at room temperature for 5 minutes. Transfer 0.1 ml of the supernatant into another 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Add 0.2 ml sample reconstitution solution. Shake well and use the mixture for testing. Remove the test card from the pouch. Use the supplied dropper to draw the prepared sample solution. Add 3 drops into the sample hole. Read the result after 8 to 10 minutes.